Ever wonder if organic nutrients can actually give you control like synthetics do? That's exactly why we built PuurOrganics. It's clean, 100% organic nutrition that performs like a synthetic without actually being one. Welcome to Cronk Nutrients. Today we're breaking down what PuurOrganics actually is, how it works, and why we separated every major nutrient into its own bottle to give growers total control and flexibility. If you're growing in soil or cocoa and want the precision of synthetics with the clean performance of organics, this one's for you. Alright, so here's what makes PuurOrganics different. It's 100% organic but acts like a synthetic when you feed. Most organic fertilizers need time to break down before your plants can use them. With PuurOrganics, everything's already plant available so your plants can absorb them instantly. You get fast results without sacrificing soil health. It's organic performance with synthetic speed. Now instead of packing everything into just one jug, we built PuurOrganics as a complete system. Each major nutrient has its own dedicated role, so you can fine-tune exactly what your plants need and when they need it. Pure Nitro, your nitrogen source. It fuels lush green growth during veg and keeps your plants actively building. Pure Phos is your phosphorus. This one builds strong roots early on and helps kickstart flower sites when blooming begins. Then our Pure K, this is your potassium. It's all about strength, structure, and finish, helping your plants develop dense, flowerful yields. Then we have our Pure CalMag, which is calcium and magnesium. It keeps cell structure strong, prevents deficiencies, and maintains smooth nutrient uptake all the way through. Then we have our Pure Balance, the system glue. It delivers essential micro and macronutrients to keep your plants steady, healthy, and efficient from start to finish. Each bottle gives you the freedom to adjust your feed just like a synthetic line, but with the natural sustainable benefits of organics. That's the beauty of PuurOrganics. Ready to use like a synthetic, but built from nature. So, here's what you get with PuurOrganics. Fast plant available nutrition without salt, sludge, or buildup. Cleaner soil that gets healthier over time, and complete control over your feeding so you can fine-tune every stage from veg to finish. Because PuurOrganics isn't just plant food, it's a living, responsive system that grows stronger every cycle. So what is PuurOrganics? It's precision organics, a clean, complete nutrient system that gives your plants exactly what they need right when they need it. If you're ready to take control of your organic grow, check out PuurOrganics at cronknutrients.com and catch the next video, Why Use PuurOrganics, where we'll dig into the real world benefits of growing organic. Grow clean, grow strong, grow pure. And as always, happy growing.